guys about.
Hey guys, I'm filming this early in the morning. Welcome back to another video. Hey guys, I'm filming this early in the morning. Welcome back to another video. Looks like we've done about 4 Pet Simulator tutorials, and then we discontinued it. And then we did around 4 simulator tutorials, and we will continue that, and we haven't discontinued that. It's been a while since we've done a Pet Simulator tutorial. So, why not? So first thing you guys should do is like the video and subscribe. You guys definitely need to do those 2 things because I'm doing this tutorial for you guys and I'm bringing it back. I was planning to keep this tutorial discontinued forever, but it's coming back and I hope you guys are happy. So first thing we're going to do is ungroup this as the instructions say. We're going to move it to replicated storage. Now, this one right here to replicated storage, we need to ungroup everything, which ungrouping stuff is easy. So I need to tell you guys something. You guys need to realize that we are for sure not doing keybinds anymore for the eggs. You guys, it's optional for keybinds. If you guys want keybinds, comment down below, but for now the key script, you can delete that, okay? And then we're gonna we have this right here, okay? We have got pet and open value. So we're going to cut that right there. And leader stats right there. And then you have the egg system, which is the egg key. We're going to also delete that. And then we have the egg open. So we're going to keep that there. And I'm also going to be deleting the egg key 1. So we're actually going to move the egg key to workspace. We're going to put I'm at server script service. And we're going to go to, we're going to do what I did in one stream, okay? And we're going to do pretty much like for egg name, right? So what's going to happen is when we click buy right there, all right? So buy is going to be not script.parent, it's going to be game.workspace eggs.common. Easy. There we go. So now if we press play, we've just made the script and server side, so then it can't be stolen when you own this in your game. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna buy an egg real quick, and for some reason it's not working. Let's see the issue. Data and got pet. Okay, got pet and open value. So I'm going to really quickly obtain those. And we're going to change a lot today to make this a lot safer and so it doesn't show for the whole entire server. I know this was an issue and I for sure want to fix that for you guys because, you know, we're a strong YouTube channel and I like to give you guys what you need. So I'm actually going to move these back here just to test it, make sure that everything's working fine. And then we'll begin messing around with the code and turning it into something better. Okay, right there. Spawn it in the map. There's the egg. Alright. And it's not working again. Data and no value. Line 4. Okay, let's check that out, because I know there's going to be a lot of errors. By script, line 4. Data equals data. So data, what is data? It is eggs, and it's going to be script.name. And we're actually going to have to change, eggs is going to be that. And we're going to have to change this script name to rename it, and we're going to name it to common. And we're actually going to make a folder. I will make a tutorial on how to make this like for all eggs, but for now this should work. So we're going to name it eggs functions, and that's for common right there. We're going to move this, rotate it a little bit, and I'm going to go buy one real quick. So we should not have any data set errors. Okay, what is the error this time? Wait for child cost. Common line 9. 9. So cost equals by. Yep. And then anything with script that parent, we're going to change it to by. And name.text equals script.name. And then anything that says script.parent. Okay, so now this should be fully functional. And it's completely server in the server, so basically I can't edit it in game. And more errors, looks like. Wait for child click detector, common line 9. Why do we keep getting infinite click detector? Line 10 equals by colon wait for child. By. No, it's going to be by workspace.exe.com and by wait for child cost and not cost click detector. My apologies. It's early in the morning, so tired of these issues. Okay, so we're gonna have to actually find all the parent of them. So it's gonna be by.cost, and then it's gonna be by, and there we go. Hopefully it works this time and we don't have any more like infinite yield. There we go, another one. Line 9. Oh, but by colon wait for child cost, and then cost 1, and then cd equals by colon wait for child cost ui cost 1 colon wait, and then nameplate equals by colon wait for child nameplate. Okay, hopefully it's gonna work this time, maybe for once. Yes, there we go, finally. Let's go. Finally. So now it finally works. So we will begin the scripting. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna delete got pet and open value, and we're gonna go to leader stats, and we're gonna do something else. So what we're gonna do is local val1 equals instance.new, and let's check what this value is. It's a string value, so we're gonna do string value, and it's gonna be comma, and it's gonna be in player, so that's gonna be that parent. So what we're gonna do, val1.name equals got pet, val1.value equals, and then we're gonna do, we don't need a data store for these, so now we're gonna do local val2 equals instance.new, and then I'm pretty sure this is a bool. No, that's another string. String value player, and then we're gonna do val2.name equals open value, and then we're going to do val2.value equals, and that should make it nothing. So now when we spawn in, the player should have nothing. Huh. Didn't make them. What was the issue? Oh, because it's the data store. We're going to have to put it right there and then delete that. Boom. That should have worked. Yep, there we go. And now what we're pretty much what we're going to do is just make it change the player's values. So then instead of it making it server side, it'll become just on the players. So we're going to got pet, call and choose pet. We're going to do a few things. So we're back. What we're going to do is we're going to do local open val, or just open equals player colon wait for child, and then we're going to do open value. Then we're going to do local got equals player colon wait for child got pet, and what we're going to do is take care of these and remove them. So we're going to do okay, we're going to keep those right here just so we can know what to reference to. We're going to do open.value equals open. Then we're going to do got.value equals choose pet. We're going to delete that print, and then we're going to delete those, because this should be working now. And then we're going to do wait 5, and we're just going to change them. Okay, right there. So we're going to change them back. We're going to name that close, and then this is going to be that. So now we've just made it just for the player. So basically that should fix the issue of the egg just showing. And yeah, let me go right here, and we're gonna do local player equals game dot players dot local player, and then we're gonna do local stat equal open equals player colon wait for child open value, and then what we're gonna do is basically this. We're gonna do open.value equals open, then script.parent pet visible equals true, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna do player dot pet dot value. All right there, and then we're gonna make that invisible. So basically, this is no longer server side now. Woohoo! So the pet system should be working fine, and it should be just for the player, and it should just display for the player. As you can see, for proof for this, if we go to server side, nobody sees it. So yeah, basically guys, what we just did was make this whole system client side. So only the client will be seeing this. Now, we're going to be doing something else. We're going to be doing something better. We're also going to be doing some values for the pets, so then we can actually get them from a folder. So We're going to start this off by duplicating leader stats and rename it pets. What we're going to be doing right here is this is going to save all pets, right? So these are all the pets. Where are they? Right here. Yeah. So this is all the pets for common. And we have all those. So now what we're going to be doing is something else. We're going to be deleting, we're going to be naming this data store to pet save. We're going to be deleting leader stats, .pet, and all of this good stuff. Okay? And we're going to keep coins save right here and there. All right? Or instead of that, we're going to do or you. So basically what we're going to be doing is changing it every time. If the player owns it, it's going to be O. If the player doesn't own it, it's going to be U. So we're going to delete this. We're going to delete that. We're going to keep that right here. All right. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be doing local folder equals instance.new folder and then player. Oh. What? I deleted something on accident. Alright, let's just go back. It's fine. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna just come to leader stats and get that because I'm lazy. And then we're gonna be doing folder.name equals pets. And then we're gonna be doing local. We're gonna have to do it for every stat. Now I know there's a more efficient way, but that's how I'm gonna be doing it for this one. We're gonna be doing local orange equals instance.new string value and then comma folder. Not folder, excuse. It's supposed to be lowercase. And then what we're gonna do, orange.name equals that, and then orange.value equals, we're gonna have to have, okay. So I had this script laying around, and what we're gonna be doing is just copying all of these values, deleting those, we're gonna be deleting, we're gonna be putting those in there, right? And uncommon pet, rare pet, and then we're going to take the unobtainable pet, which is actually obtainable, but it's just so rare. So now, we should have a fully working data store and everything for the pets. Player, Conciso, what is the issue? Line 22. Line 22. Alright. So, I've gotten a lot more simple script, and this should save and work fine. So what we're going to be doing is actually come in here, getting all of the pets, and we're just going to make these right here. It's a lot easier to deal with. We're just pretty much copying and pasting them. And basically just don't forget add commas so then there's no errors. and they're spaced properly, and the script doesn't think it's just a 1. So now what we're going to be doing is that, right? And we're going to come here and we're going to do orange. We're actually going to have to do this like that, and so on and so forth, and keep doing that until we have every single pet, which you guys might think it might be complicated, but do not worry, it is not that hard. Okay, and what we're going to be doing is actually just amazing pet, uncommon pet, and then we're going to come down here, put that there, we're going to put rare pet, and now we have all the pets. So what's going to happen now is it's going to data store, and it's going to change the pet value right to owned. So what we're going to be doing is actually going to the server. All right, we're going to do local. We're going to do local find pet equals player colon wait for child pets. Find local 2 SQQ, I don't know why, but find pet colon find first child, and we're gonna be looking for dot value. If SQQ, then, and we're actually not gonna do that. We're gonna do SQQ dot value equals owned. There we go. So basically now the player should own the pet that they're unboxing from their crate. So let's do that real quick. Not crate, but pet system. So created the wrong folder and it did not create anything correctly. So it's going to be pets, and we're actually going to be checking what's going on and why this did not work. So let's do that real quick. And there we go, we fixed that, and it should work now. Make sure to rename everything properly. I forgot to do that. So we have common egg that wasn't working in the beginning, but now that we made it server side, it is. And we unboxed the amazing pet. Line 20 for pets is having an error. So line 20, if data I equals unowned, then value equals owned. That's strange. Let me check. So I think we fixed it after some work. Yep, there we go. We did a peacock function and uncommon pet right there. We're gonna press pets, uncommon pet, and it says own. Let's go, boys. So basically you got orange puppy, and it changes it to owned, and everything else is unowned. Now if we leave the game and we join again, we should own orange puppy. There we go. We own rare pet and amazing pet. We own both of them now. There we go. They're both, the data store worked. Everything is working, which is great. And I think this is where we're going to end off the video. If this video gets enough likes and enough suggestions, I will be doing a tutorial on how to make an inventory system. Now we could get rid of these right here because now this is all local. Peace out, guys. Have a good day.